Hello all gamers! In this video, we will tackle a common problem that many of you might face. Why can't you install Call of Duty Mobile from the Play Store? Let's find out together some possible reasons and how to fix it. Let's get started. First things first. Open the Play Store on your Android device. Let's try to solve this problem step by step. On the Call of Duty Mobile page in the Play Store, check the game requirements. You will notice that at least 2.6 gigabytes of free storage is required to install it. This is crucial for the game to run properly. Head to your device's settings and look for the storage section. Here you will be able to check how much free space you have on your device. Make sure you have enough space for the game installation. If you find that you don't have enough space, it's time to free up some space. You can delete unused apps, unnecessary files, or move data to an SD card if possible. Make sure you have the latest version of the Play Store app. Updates can fix compatibility issues and improve the download experience. Sometimes simply restarting your device can fix temporary problems. Try restarting and retrying to install Call of Duty Mobile. And there you have it, some steps to address the inability to install Call of Duty Mobile from the Play Store. If you find this information useful, like the video and subscribe for more tips and solutions for gamers. Do you have any additional experiences or solutions? Leave them in the comments and we'll see you in the next video.